I just said, as far back as 2020, DNA evidence linked Raul Meza to 66-year-old Gloria Lofton's death.
Now, it wasn't until that phone call last week where Meza confessed to killing a woman on Sarah Drive that law enforcement charged him with her murder. And we have KXAN investigator Avery Travis here, who has been digging into why that didn't happen sooner.
It's a question a lot of people have been asking. We want to start by saying we reached out to APD. They say they're working to get us answers to this question. Other law enforcement sources tell us today that establishing probable cause often depends on a lot of other evidence besides just DNA. That's because a match can mean that a person's DNA is included as a contributor to the sample found at the crime scene. But the court documents we got today in Lofton's murder give us some further details, including that in 2019, as Sarah mentioned just a few minutes ago, the medical examiner's office ruled Lofton's cause of death as undetermined, despite evidence that she could have been strangled. But they did do a sexual assault forensic exam. So in April 2020, the DPS Capital Area Regional Crime Lab, it's here in Austin, obtained a DNA profile from that sample. They searched it against local, state, and national databases, and about a month later, according to that affidavit, they got a match, Raul Meza. Now, it's not clear what happened after that. We don't know if APD knew, how they were notified, or if officers then questioned Meza. We're working to get that information. But what we do know from those court records is that her cause of death has now been changed to strangulation because of this new information, and her manner of death has been changed to homicide.
You know, Avery, we know there's been a lot of big problems with testing DNA here in Austin over the last, I don't know how many years. So what's happening? Can you sort of refresh us all on where we stand with that?
Yeah, not just Austin. Actually, a state backlog of rape kits, sexual assault kits started making national headlines, and that continued over the last decade. But right here in Austin, APD's DNA lab shut down after an audit in 2016 found that flawed science was used when calculating the odds of some DNA results, which possibly botched thousands of cases. At this time, though, it's not clear if the state backlog or what was happening here in Austin affected the Meza case.
All right, Avery, thank you very much for all of that. And make sure you don't miss any bit